In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money between Capital One accounts. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do it with ease. First things first, grab your phone and open the Capital One mobile app. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. This is your gateway to managing your finances on the go, so make sure your login details are correct to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your accounts. Tap on the one you want to transfer money from. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the transaction. You'll want to ensure you're selecting the correct account to avoid any mistakes later on. Now, look for the option that says Transfer. Tap on it. This takes you to the Transfer section where all the magic happens. It's important to note that this option is specifically designed to facilitate seamless transfers between your accounts. Next, you'll need to choose the account you want to transfer money to. This is usually the simple drop-down menu or list. Make sure you select the right account, as this is where your funds will be going. It's always a good idea to double-check at this point. After selecting the destination account, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be precise here, ensuring that you've got the right figure. This is especially important if you're managing multiple accounts or have specific budgeting goals in mind. The next step is to select the transfer date. You can decide whether you want the transfer to happen immediately or schedule it for a future date. Additionally, you have the option to set it as a one-time transfer, or if it's something you'll be doing regularly, set it as a recurring transfer. This flexibility can be really handy for managing your finances efficiently. If you like, you can also add a memo. This feature allows you to include a note or reminder about the transfer. It's optional, but it can be useful if you want to keep track of reasons for the transfer or any specific details about it. Finally, take a moment to review everything. Double-check the accounts, the amount, and the transfer date. Once you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and slide or tap to confirm the transfer. And there you have it. Your money has been successfully transferred between your Capital One accounts. This simple guide ensures that you can manage your finances with just a few taps. Thanks for watching and happy banking.